see, it's just so much snow. My gosh, holy smoji. Let's close the door. Door's locked. Hold on. OMG. Because I can't. This door is horrible. I cannot. Oh my god, and it's still snowing. Holy crap. Alright, look at our trees are all white. Oh, it's snowing so much. Our tree, look at the tree, is so white. And the ground, no ground, they're all snow. It much color of Lucky, cold. Hey, don't go very far, come here. Lucky is, stay right here. He loves snow. So much, so we're gonna play snow tomorrow. Because I'm shaking. And of course, the roof of the garage are full of snow. Right there. The lounger covered with snow. I guess I can't stand very long out here. So cold. See how thick? It's like 3-4 inch. 4 to 6 inches. I'm shaking. It's so cold. They just love the snow. Oh, goodness. Snow really hard. Lindsay's car park out there. Super cold. Ace, come back here. Ace, come back here. Come on, let's go inside. It's freezing here. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my god, your toys are full of ice. Look at him. His toy is full of ice. Don't give it to me. This guy's toy is full of ice. Oh, Ace, you're so funny. Hey, don't go on the blanket. Hey, come here. Ace, come here. Oh, gosh, you Ace, you're so